Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another opportunity for you guys, which is TCS Recruitment 2020 as sales analyst. So before moving on to the details regarding TCS recruitment, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Moving further to TCS Recruitment 2020. So TCS is hiring candidates from Bachelor of Commerce in Bangalore for sales analyst position. Detailed eligibility criteria, selection process and application links for associate position recruitment have been provided in the website. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. TCS Recruitment 2020 details. So company's name is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. This is the company's official website. Job position is Sales Commission Analyst. Location is Bangalore. Salary would be best in industry. Last date to apply is 22 July 2020. Qualifications is Bachelor of Commerce. Eligibility criteria, Bachelor of Commerce. Role summary. So Asia Commission's team is seeking a self-starting and motivated commission analyst with great attention to details, strong ability to identify issues and collaboratively create effective solutions. Its main internal customers are Salesforce, business decision finance teams, and other stakeholders including business operations and HR. Team has fiduciary financial responsibilities to ensure compliance with the company's commission plans and SOX control, combined with the requirement to provide customer service and business support to its internal customers. Then we have some major responsibilities like calculating Asia SAM commission for specific area, reconcile data from commission system, monthly reviews with sales manager of team credit allocations, identify enhancement to process and system limitations, responsible for validating annual commission, load annual commission plans, ensure we follow and adhere to SOX compliance rules, provide interpretation and education of policies, responsible for management of communication, create and provide and hook reporting to sales management, coordinate employee changes, ensure annual targets and much more. So we have provided a link here. You have to click on this link and you will move to another website. So once you click on the link, you will move to this website, which is of TCS iBegin or TCS Careers. So this is the option. You have to click here, and after that you will also have to log in here. So once you log in here, if you have account, so you can log in, and if you are new here, then you have to click on register with us and create an account. Once you create an account, you will be registered for the job. So moving on to Fresher Camp website, we have provided all the details like eligibility criteria, selection process and application links. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Link for TCS Recruitment 2020 is provided in the description. So apply as soon as possible, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.